What's up, guys? This is Brad Byers from Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. We're going to show you this 2018 Forest River Cardinal 3350 that we just got in. It's a 3-slide rear living. As you can see, it's got the toppers over the slides. It's got the 6-point hydraulic self-leveling system on it. A lot of outside storage. It's got the More Ride Kingpin. Gives you a smoother ride going down the road. As you can see here, it does have 2 power awnings with LED lighting. It's got the metal covers over them, so when they're rolled up, it protects that first 10 or 12 inches from the sun. Nice, spacious kitchen, living room. A lot of big windows. That's in a lot of natural light. It is prepped for solar. Control everything from this touchscreen here. I'll show you raising the TV up. You got a table for 2 here, and we do have 2 folding chairs stuffed under the bed at the moment that match, that you can put there to seat 4 people. There it is all the way up. A lot of nice big windows. Couch here makes into a bed. Nice overhead cabinetry. Got a lot of storage in it. Electric fireplace. Nice pots and pans drawer there. Got these pop-up plugs. Residential style 60/40 sink. All stainless appliances. French door fridge. Got a nice pantry here with drawers that pull out. Nice little coffee bar here. Like the woodwork in this trailer. Do a good job in these Cardinals. Coming upstairs. Bedroom, you got a king slide. Of course, you can throw a queen bed in there if you want a little bit more room, or smaller bed. There's your dresser, TV, good sized closet. This extra bit of closet space with drawers that pull out. Pretty unique. Going into the bathroom. Nice setup. Got a lot of countertop space here for the sink. A lot of storage. Big medicine cabinet. Some additional storage over the porcelain toilet there. Good sized shower with a seat. Adjustable shower head there. Pretty luxurious trailer. If you're looking for something to live in, this would work out quite nicely. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I'll have a link in the description to this on our website with a good 60, 70, 80 pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on my cell, call or text 903-441-5391, or you can reach my staff on our landline, also call or text 903-447-2633. Thanks for looking.